Storytime with Aran. Welcome back. Today I am reading a book on Look Inside. Look Inside, written by Brylee Gibson. This is a nest for bees. Nest. Look inside the nest. The bees make honey inside the nest. This is a nest for a squirrel. Nest. Look inside the nest. Babies squirrel are inside the nest. This is a nest for a spider. Look inside the nest. The nest is under the ground. The babies are inside. This is a home for a beaver. Look inside the home. The home is on the water. It is under the water too. The babies are inside. This is a tunnel. Rabbits can live in a tunnel like this. Rabbit. Look inside. The rabbits can hide in the tunnel. Here is a nest. Ants live in this nest. Look inside. The ants have food inside the nest. This is a nest for a bird. Look inside. The nest has 2 rooms. The babies are safe inside this nest. The end.